the explanation for the YouTube video 2.5. We create a new file. And here's the question. The first step we need to do is just assign the variable P. P is the principal amount, which is the 10,000. So we tap 10,000. And N is number of times the interest is compounded per year, which is 12. And the R is the rate, which is the 0.08. Yep. And T is number of years, but we need to define the T. So we can use input and int. So int T is equal input. We use input. Please enter the number of years. And T is equal int in T. And we need to also define the final amount. Final amount. And the formula for the final amount is right here. So when you tap it, so let me see. Yep. And we need to print the final amount. Let's see, does it work or not? Print final amount, and then we run it. So here it shows in the shell, please enter the number of years. And for example, if we tap the 5, it gives the result of